This is the 6-channel wireless XLR transmitter and receiver. Company sent me this product so I can check it out, make a video for it, so let's do it. Arrived safely, all protected in bubble wrap, and inside the box you are going to get the transmitter, the receiver, a USB to dual Type-C cable for charging them both at the same time. It's about 16 inches long. And you do that by plugging them in right here on the sides, opposite of the on-off switches, sliders. Speaking of charging, they can be used while they are charging. And a red light will come on while they're charging. It'll go off when it's done, when the cycle's complete. They say that the battery has a 20-hour life in dynamic mic mode, and it gets 9 hours of life in condenser mic mode, though I did not test that out for 20 hours or 9 hours. It is a simple plug-and-play device. You plug them in, you turn them on, and you're good to go. This is meant to be plugged into an XLR on a board or a PA speaker or something along those lines, an amp that has an XLR in. I don't have that, so what I'm going to do is plug it into this adapter that I have so I can plug it into this mighty 15-watt Canadian amp. You could also use a cord similar to this if you like. You can see when I turned them on, they both synced right up, linked up, ready to go. And as I said before, it has 6 channels, so you can use one transmitter and broadcast up to 6 different receivers simultaneously. If that's something you want to do, you're going to have to sync them up, so you just press and hold the button on the transmitter right here until it starts blinking, and that gets you into pairing mode, and eventually it'll pair up and lock itself in. There's an instruction manual that came along with this too that has all of that information in here, how to do all the various different things you can do with it. And you can see they've paired up very nicely. Like I said, it has 6 channels. If you want to change that, just change the channel on the transmitter and it goes and links up automatically. We got green, blue, yellow, purple, cyan, and back to green. We're good. If you double click the button on the transmitter, it will turn on the 48-volt phantom power for condenser mics. Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. Oh, is it working? Yeah, it's working. There we go. Double click again. Turn it off. Pretty cool. Easy enough. You can switch back and forth. So they work off of the 5.8 gig ISM band rather than the 2.4 gig. They say that it has a range up to 100 feet, and I actually tested this out in the rain, and I'll show you that right here. And I've got it hooked up to a, don't feedback, Sennheiser E935. We'll do the 100-foot test here. It's raining out. Back to that shed, we're looking at probably 40 foot to the fence, and then I'm going to go out to the road, another 60 foot, and it's raining, so we'll see how it does. There we go. And we're walking, and we're walking. All right, might have to up it here. 30 foot, I'm at 40 foot, heading out to the road, which is about 100 foot. I got the Sennheiser covered up so it doesn't get wet. I got trees in my way. I got not really a direct line at this point. I'm almost at, this is about 100 foot. And I'm out in the road, about 100 foot away. I can't hear it from where the mic is, so I guess we'll find out if it works when we get back and listen to the video. So I'm coming back through the trees, no line of sight, obstacles on the way, about 60 foot, about 50 foot. I'm probably breathing heavy into the mic. 40 foot, 30 foot. All right, you can see me now. There we go. Is it working? It's working. All right, there we go. Good. I'm not sure about the latency and all that because I was away from the amp, but there were no sound drops at all when I played it back. They're made out of a plastic, you know. I don't know how I'd feel about dropping these, just me. Is it studio grade this or ultra low latency that? I don't know. It's still early days with these types of devices. This is something I would use like at band practice to test it out before moving it on to a venue, you know, for sure. That's just me. Something like this would probably be good for any place where you want to be wire-free, like off the top of my head, conferences, church services, weddings, podcasts, interviews, busking, band practice, work events, all kinds of stuff, whatever you can think of. There you go.